Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So you have seen a lots of smartphone, they come with a limited edition, but now Oppo released their new Ace2 EVA limited edition with a custom watch, headset, air voice charger with this smartphone. So talking about the new Oppo Ace2 EVA limited edition, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. The Evangelion-inspired limited edition of the Oppo Ace2 is now official, and there is a lot more to it than custom decals on the back. There is a lot of EVA-styled gear you can get. There is the phone, of course, but it's look different from the one we saw last week. It has a purple and a green color, as you can see in this picture, scheme to match EVA-01. The case including in the pack has an even more elaborate design, and there are EVA themed wallpaper preloaded. Speaking of the pack, the box alone is one of the coolest we have seen. It contains limited edition charger, cable and wired headset. Even the SIM ejector tool is styled as the spear of the Longinus. If you want to go wireless, there is an Oppo Incurve W31TWS headset and an Oppo Air VOOC wireless charger. A limited edition Oppo watch can complete the look, or you can get it the Oppo Smart Band. The band was supposed to be officially unveiled in June. Now for the bad part about the collector edition items, the price of the Oppo Ace2 EVA pack is Chinese yuan 4,400 and it's equal $615, and it will be limited to 10,000 units globally. Actually, it's not a bad considering that the non-Pro S2 Oppo smartphone goes for the Chinese yuan 4,000 yuan. The limited edition phone become available on next month June 1. The Oppo Watch EVA limited edition in orange and black color, and its cost Chinese yuan 2,200 and is again limit to 10,000 units. The Oppo Incurve W31, it's available in white and blue color, is available in Chinese yuan 400. Air VOOC wireless charger is available in Chinese yuan 300 Chinese yuan, and will have even more limited availability, 5,000 unit. If you like the EVA theme but don't want to spring for the limited edition phone, you can download the custom wallpaper theme to any Oppo phone. There are 3 themes to choose from, but you will have to buy them. But if you don't want the phone, you can find this phone on Oppo official website oppo.com. So this is the new Oppo EVA limited edition Ace2 smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone? And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.